everybody behind me now. It's just literally here. Really. Really want to go on this toxic gravel. Ooh, I suppose I could go up there. Let's see. I'm going to try and push her back. Oh. Come on, girl. Oh, that's it. Scrabbling on the beach.
Mary? Who's the city in there? Well, you just as well. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Dear, just been stuck in a hailstorm. And of course, as I say, I didn't bring anything out to like wet weather gear. So me and the Harley are a bit wet, but I got just about managed to get my cup of tea before it absolutely chucked down. It was a very nice cup of tea. And now I'm going to make my way back. That's a storm, the hailstorm disappearing. Hang on, I'm having the usual problem with my. I've got two different helmets with two different systems. One's a socket, clicking thing, like a seat belt, and this one's the old D-ring. And I must admit, my poor old arthritic hands have trouble, especially when they're freezing cold because they've just been hailed on. Eek. There we go. But come on. Ooh, come on. Yes, clipped. Right. Oh dear, my hands are wet and cold, and these gloves are now a bastard to get on. Oh no! Oh dear. Right, let's get this other one first. Of course, when you've got wet hands, they don't slide in. Please go in. Please go in. Right. Thank you so much. Right. Oops. I must say, I am still really warm. I bought this cheap, really lightweight packer jacket, sort of puffer jacket thing, which is meant to sort of closes in on itself, so you can kind of store it within its own pocket. You kind of fold it in, and then just the pocket kind of becomes the bag for it. Very good. And I've stuck that underneath my tracker, Rowan Sands tracker jacket, and I'm as snug as anything. And I thought it would be, because it's not very. I mean, it's cheap. It cost me about 15 quid in peacocks, but it's a brilliant thing. Oh, I think that guy thinks I'm talking to him, but I'm not. I am talking to myself. Right, got this all on. Oh, just about. It's on. I give up with the rest of it. Right. Oh, that's not very comfortable. Let's take that off again. Oh God, no. No. Let's try that again. Try that again. Right. I don't know where the mic's gone. It's right on my chin now. Oh. Where's the thing? Oh, where's the thing? Where's that mic? Oh well, here we go. Let's get back out on the road. Let's get home. There we go. Good girl, I love my Sportster.